I'm back to work on a regular project now. I had about a month off while we were waiting for materials to show up at the project. Originally it was going to be 2 to 3 weeks, but then it turned into 4 to 5 weeks. So in that time I did some traveling and helped a friend put up a steel building on his farm. Saw a car show. Now here's what happened. I came home from my trip and my engine seized on me. There's the tow truck, and there is the engine after a couple of weeks of work, a new engine, and it's running. And there is my cat Archie, just glad to see me home. So here is the project, and this is just going to be kind of a recap. And sorry about the cloudy, foggy lens on the camera. I just did not check to see if it was clean. So this is just kind of a recap on things that are seen in other videos. The cabinet is new. That cabinet is over a water radiant heater, and it's going to be a bench for breakfast nook. So here is the marble countertops, quartz countertops, cultured, and backsplash. And Mitch has been holding the fort down here for a couple of weeks while I was rebuilding my engine. There's the nice big new range and the range hood if you look up. And there's more of the marble backsplash. It's kind of a thick, inch thick. So now we're going to walk around here and look at the bar. And it's not actually a bar, it's just kind of a counter and cabinets for dishes and wine, and going to have a wine cooler. There's the island, and we're going to take a look here at the farm sink. It's just a single basin farm sink with a nice faucet on it. I haven't actually seen it yet because I just got back first day on the job. Going to look under the sink here and see how everything got connected. Going to turn on my little flashlight, but it's going to be a little too bright for the camera to adjust. But you see there's electrical outlets in there for the dishwasher, sink disposal, instant hot. There's a air switch to the left there. Those are pretty neat for the disposal. And you can see the hot and cold PEX lines coming up. And then there is a dishwasher on the right side of the sink. So we're not going to really look at the countertop on there, but there's the side of it. We were planning to put an outlet on there, but that is still being thought of. See these wood 2x4 posts under the wing of the countertop. That is there to support it until we put some corbels under there to support it. There's their new light fixture. So this is the temporary kitchen in the laundry room that they have been using. Those are the cabinets that will go in, and then there'll be a washer dryer along the wall there and some other cabinets. And that is going to be a little work desk there with a window looking over the stairs. And this is kind of a wider view of the kitchen. You can see the island and the refrigerator far into the left corner back there. Let's go take another look at the stove. I'm not sure if that's a monogram stove or something else, but it's a nice looking stove. 36 inches wide, 6-burner stove. And there you see the range hood again. It's got some, I think it's halogen lighting on it. It's kind of old-fashioned now. Everybody's gone to LEDs. Still have to hang that 3-light fixture that's going to be center over the island. There's a look at the microwave and oven, convection oven. This is inside of their nice big new fridge. That is a very heavy door, very solid. There's the freezer down below. So as I recall, we installed all these oak floors, and pretty much everything you see here was done by myself and Mitch. There's a chop saw out on the deck for working on things. This here is the entry bath. It's a little dark, but it's kind of an interesting room. I like the light fixtures that they chose for it. There's the sink. It's very dark in there. It's going to take a little time to get used to it. Then we're going to walk in here through the bedroom, and there's no lights on, so not the best picture. And here is the master bathroom. And this is all in earlier videos here, but the glass doors are finally on. It's all marble tiled in there. That was a fun project to do. Cabinets, marble countertop, or cultured stone countertops. I like the lights in the mirror. Those crystal lights are very heavy. They're like 2 pounds each. Toilet, marble toe kick or baseboard. So yeah, the master bathroom is looking pretty good. A seat in the shower. So we're going to walk back out through the bedroom. Nice big French doors. And that is the tour of the house where I'm just getting back and starting up again. Now for some baby pictures of Archie. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next video.